We are coming to you from Comiskey Park, where this afternoon WGN Sports presents White Sox baseball. Spags Ordonez, Paul Konerko, the Big Hurt Frank Thomas and the Sox as they get set to host Mike Sweeney, Carlos Beltran, and Tony Peña's Kansas City Royals.
Right here this afternoon.
All right, sit back, relax, and strap it down. It'll be Todd Ritchie against the southpaw Darrell May, and DJ will be back with the rest of the starting lineups.
Chicago White Sox baseball, brought to you by Miller Lite. Grab a Miller Lite. It's Miller time. Your local Ford store. Quality people, quality products. Pepsi, the joy of Pepsi. And by Toyota. Get the feeling.